In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a second layer of data to your 3D ArcGIS map, but it's the same process you need to follow in order to do that for a 2D ArcGIS map as well. But I'm also going to show you how you can add a secondary piece of data to your map as well, which also helps to hit certain aspects of the mark scheme for the NEA as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Layer Manager. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on Browse Layers on this button. So you just click the plus button here. And this time, instead of using the My Content, we're going to click on this drop-down menu. And we're going to use this part of ArcGIS here, which is called the Living Atlas. And actually what this is a whole load of secondary data that's been made freely available through ArcGIS. A lot of it originates from the United States. So you'll notice a lot of it is American, but there is a lot of UK stuff on there as well. So what I'm going to do, if you have an idea about what you'd like to try and find that'll help to kind of identify any kind of sort of relationship or help to explain trends, then you can type that into the search box here. I'm going to add in a layer of data which is going to show the multiple deprivation of the different areas of Cheltenham. So I'm just going to type that in. So you can see here, I found the layer I'm looking for. So index of multiple deprivation, and what this will do, this will add a second layer of data, and obviously it's a secondary piece of data as well. So we just click on the add button. And you can see that's now been, well, it's maybe not as clear at the moment, but I'll show you in a second. So if I just click on done, and you can see now we've got our two layers of data. So this is my data, the layer of data that I created, and this is the secondary source of data I've created. And so if we just scroll that out, and if we just change the perspective of our map here, if I just go to kind of bird's eye view, and if we just zoom out, we can see we've got our index of multiple deprivation being put on top of our own data we've created. So we might want to kind of see if there's any link between noise pollution levels and the index of multiple deprivation. So, is there a relationship between the two? Is there any relationship between, the index of multiple deprivation having an impact on the noise pollution of different areas of Cheltenham? So again, we can kind of change the perspective of this. Again, you can kind of play around to kind of align it or change the perspective in order to kind of make that nice and clear for your own data presentation. So quite a short video, this one, but it just gives you an idea about how you may want to increase the sophistication of the data you're presenting, but also it's a nice way to kind of see visually if there's any relationships between the data that you have collected. So other examples could be if you're doing a carbon tree investigation, you may want to kind of add a layer of data of soil type on that to see if any, if there's soil type, as the soil type changes, does that have an impact on how much carbon a specific species of tree sequesters? Or if it's a coastal investigation, you may want to see how geology is having an influence on the shape of the bay or the data that you've collected as part of your own coastal study as well.